Hey Whittians, we got an awesome video in store for you today. We are going to be doing a GPU upgrade to our T5 Legion, our wonderful Lenovo RGB goodness of a computer. This thing's cool. I really like it. Guys, I'm just going to go over the stats really quick, and what we're going to be doing in this video, we're going to be doing a GPU upgrade to the RTX 3070. We already have a 750 watt power supply in here. If you're wondering how to do that, go look on my videos and it's already out. Other than that, this is what we're going to be doing for this video. So currently we have a 1660 Super in here, and let me jump over to the on-screen and show you the score that we got with the TimeSpy 3D Mark score. So we scored 6,122, which is a good score, and our first GPU score was 37.85 and our second was 33.67. Alright guys, we're going to get the side panel off, get our PC powered down and all the cables out the back, and if you want to start there and catch up with me, and that's where we're going to be doing this upgrade at. Alright guys, after you got all the cables unplugged and your side panel off, first thing we're going to do is come here and go ahead and unplug your power. Set this guy off to the side. You're going to need it for your 3070. Alright guys, grab yourself like an iFixit kit. I'll have a link for one of these if you're wondering. This awesome kit. This kit is awesome because you can separate screws in this little tray. But yeah, off that subject, we got 2 screws we need to remove. We need our number 2 Phillips out of here. And I won't make you guys suffer through this. Before we take that last screw out, let's snap this forward or back, and you'll hear it unsnap, and our GPU is free. And there we go, got our screws out. Gonna reach in and grab the back of the GPU, kind of wiggle and jiggle, and sometimes this might happen where this snaps back in. You're gonna have to push it back again. There we go, our GPU is free. Grab your other GPU, and we're gonna go ahead and slot her on home. So just come in here level with the plane, and you might have to feel it. There we go, we got it in the slot. Send it on home, we heard the click. And the first thing I always do is put the screws back so it supports it when we're pushing our power cable in. And as you can see, this one's a little bit different. It requires 2 8-pin PCIe power connections. There's our first screw in there. And get our second screw in there. There we go. Alright, so we can take our power cable, we're going to have to grab a little bit of slack, or we can just grab our second one that we have tucked down in here, and we'll just plug these 2 in there. It's going to make it nice and easy for us. So you have to put the connector together, because it has the 6+2, and just kind of wiggle and jiggle, send it on home, grab your second connector, and you have to do the exact same thing. The clasp on the Zotac is on the top. And there we go, our second's in there. There is venting right here, so either keep the cables below or on top. Try to not block this venting if you have a card that vents. Most cards do vent right here in the back and in the front. But other than that, guys, we are going to get a TimeSpy 3D Mark benchmark going and see how this compares to the 1660 Super, guys. Hey guys, we got everything put back together. We got all our wires put back in, and we got our side panel back on, and we got our 3D Mark TimeSpy benchmarks in. So let's jump over to the on-screen really quick and look at what we got. Holy crap, we scored 12,137. Of course, who knew a 3070 would be this great over a 1660 Super? Of course, our first GPU score in the graphics test was 87.92. That's pretty darn good. And our second was 73.91. Remember, this is DirectX 12, so it is the newest DirectX. Of course, our CPU test FPS didn't change. It was 28.29. So our stock score with our 1660 Super was 6,121. And our first GPU score was 37.85, and our second was 33.67. So that's going to be... yeah, I'm going to put the percentage down here because I'm going to do the numbers later, but it's, I'm going to say well over 50% increase. But other than that, guys, this is a hell of an upgrade. If this is something you want to do with this PC and this is the direction you want to head, yeah, get yourself an RTX 3070, and it's going to pretty much top this thing out. Unless you're going to be dropping some bones and being kind of crazy and you want to go past this, this is going to be really the top-end graphics card you're going to want to put in here. Unless you really want to drop some cash. Of course, you can get a RTX 3080 12GB, 3080 Ti, or a 3090. And they will fit. Of course, it does have the power supply to bolster it now too. We will be showing the 3080 in here, an up and coming video. It's going to be a couple weeks away, but you will see that. Other than that, guys, this was a TechNitWit video, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day. Hey guys, it's TechNitWit here. Make sure you guys subscribe and like and hit that bell. Thanks.